How much should you actually spend on an outdoor security camera? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, LITYMOL 2K Solar Camera. Let's kick things off with the LITYMOL 2K Solar Security Camera. Priced at $42.99, this little guy caught my eye with its unique solar-powered feature. If you want a hassle-free way to keep an eye on your home, this is worth a serious look. The 2K resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is exactly what you need if something happens. Plus, the 360 degrees view eliminates blind spots, capturing every angle of your yard or driveway. With a built-in solar panel, you get up to 6 months of battery life on standby, which means less hassle changing batteries. It's also got color night vision, so you're not left in the dark at night. This matters for you specifically because it ensures you can see everything clearly, whether it's day or night. Now, some people complained about the motion detection being overly sensitive, leading to false alarms. Here's the thing though, if you tweak the settings, it's manageable and worth it for the peace of mind it provides. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install option that runs on solar power. Skip this one if you're looking for a camera that doesn't require any setting adjustments after installation. For the price, it packs a lot of value. Now, if LITYMOL sensitivity issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DEKCO 2K Security Camera. Next up is the DEKCO 2K Security Camera, which comes as a 2-pack for $67.99. The first thing that stands out is its smart motion tracking feature. If you're serious about security, this is worth a serious look. With its motion tracking, the camera automatically follows any objects in motion, sending you instant alerts on your phone. Plus, with its 350 degrees viewing angle, you can monitor your property without blind spots. That's crucial if you want to catch everything that goes on around your house. And the full-color night vision, it's a major plus when you need to see what's happening in the dark. However, some users mentioned the app could be a bit glitchy at times. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, that might be a deal-breaker. But for those who can navigate a few hiccups, it offers solid performance. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive coverage with smart features. Skip this one if you want a straightforward camera without the extra tech. For 2 cameras, it's a fair deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for reliability. Product number 3, RealHide Enhanced 2K Camera. Now let's talk about the RealHide Enhanced 2K UHD Security Camera, priced at just $26.97. Honestly, I was surprised by how affordable this one is. If you're looking for budget-friendly options without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. This camera offers crystal-clear 2K resolution and vibrant color night vision, so you can see everything clearly at night. It also supports dual-band Wi-Fi, which means you won't experience laggy feeds even in busy neighborhoods. The up to 6-month battery life is impressive, especially for those hard-to-reach places. Here's why this matters for you specifically: it means less maintenance and more peace of mind. However, some users pointed out that the setup could be a bit tricky. But here's the thing, once you get through the initial setup, you're golden. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their home security on a budget. This is perfect for you if you want a solid camera without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a camera that's super easy to set up without any tech knowledge. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the setup issue bothered you, the next camera offers a more user-friendly experience. Product number 4, SCHMUA Solar Camera. Next, we have the SCHMUA 2K Solar Security Camera, which goes for $79.99. Right off the bat, I appreciated the removable solar panel. If you want a reliable outdoor camera that doesn't rely on battery changes, this is worth a serious look. With 2K resolution and color night vision, this camera captures stunning images day and night. It's built for the elements too, with IP65 weatherproofing, so it can handle heavy rain and snow. This is crucial for anyone living in unpredictable climates, giving you confidence that your camera will work no matter what. Some users mentioned the app could be slow to respond at times. However, here's the thing, if you just need a solid camera that performs well, this shouldn't deter you. The pros definitely outweigh this minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want a solar-powered option that's easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional wired camera setup. It's a great investment for its price. Now, if SCHMUA's app speed concerns you, the next one on my list takes a different approach. Product number 5, Raycom 4-pack cameras. Finally, we have the Raycom 4-pack security cameras priced at $99.97. Honestly, the value of having 4 cameras at this price is impressive. If you want comprehensive coverage, this is worth a serious look. These cameras support both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, which means faster connections and less lag. With 2K resolution and full-color night vision, you'll see everything clearly, even in low light. Plus, the two-way audio lets you communicate with anyone on your property right through your smartphone. One downside is that you need a subscription for some advanced features like bird recognition. Now, some might see this as a drawback. Here's the thing though, if you're really invested in home security, paying a little extra for advanced features might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive security system with advanced features. Skip this one if you're not interested in the bird watching aspect or want to avoid subscription fees. For 4 cameras, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So there you have it, 5 great outdoor security cameras. From the affordable RealHide to the comprehensive Raycom system, there's something here for everyone. Take your time to decide which one fits your needs best, and remember, your home's safety is worth the investment.